Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me.
Open the door. Open the door.
I took a Louisville slugger to both headlights, slashed a hole in.
Oh, you. But you're just a pretty princess. Come here. Oh my God. What the fuck?
不爽。
What are you doing? Oh no.
None of the other chickens are ever gonna believe you, dude.
I just gave it to him.
I know, but I mean,
He's so happy to see you. Look, your brother's so happy to see you. Oh.
To say hi to the camera. Oh my goodness.
Should I get a dog? Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
No, I can't come from little shorty, don't do no copping. Hey, look, she gon' keep her hands in my pants.
There's like chemicals in here.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my God.